In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles automatically in Heygen, whether you're creating content for social media, educational purposes, or personal projects. Having subtitles can be essential for accessibility and engagement. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Heygen.com. It's crucial to ensure you're logged into your account, as this will let you access all the features Heygen offers for video creation. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed, but assuming you're all set, let's move to the next step. Once you're logged in, you'll see an option to create a new video. Click on Create Video, and you'll be prompted to select an avatar. This avatar will be your virtual presenter within the video. Take your time choosing an avatar that matches the tone and style you're going for, whether it's professional, casual, playful, or anything else that suits your content. After selecting your avatar, the next step is to type in or paste your prepared script. This script is what your avatar will be using as a dialogue within the video. If you haven't prepared a script yet, pause the process and draft one that effectively conveys your message or narrates your story. Now, here's where we focus on subtitles. You'll need to look for an option labeled either subtitles, captions, or more specifically, auto subtitle. There should be a clear toggle or switch to activate this feature. Turn it on, ensuring that the subtitles will be generated automatically. This feature is designed to save you time and effort, syncing the text to the spoken words within your video seamlessly. After you've activated the subtitles, it's time to click on Generate Video. This action will initiate the processing of your video, applying your chosen avatar, script, and the automatic subtitles. The processing time can vary based on your internet speed and server load, so be patient as it completes. Once processing is finished, your video will display automatic subtitles synced perfectly with the speech. This not only enhances the clarity of your content, but also ensures that those with hearing impairments or those who prefer to read along can engage with your video. And that's it. You've successfully added automatic subtitles to your Heygen video. Experiment with different scripts and avatars to find what works best for your needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for your video creation endeavors.